Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this fun, colorful, orange reddish look using the Juvia's Place palette. So if you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's look, I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place palette. That's what it looks like. These are the shades. I'm going to go in with the orange and the maroon shade today, I want to say, I think, and maybe a little bit of this shade as well. So I think I'm going to do something like that. I'm not sure exactly, but it's going to be good still. So keep watching. We're doing a colorful look, and let's get on to it. So I already have my eyes primed, I already have my brows done, so I'm just gonna go straight into the orange shade. I'm just gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics makeup brush, and I'm going to go into the orange shade and just place that directly right in the crease. I'm using patting motions. Now I'm just going to do small circular motions. Next I'm going to go in with my M506 brush from Morphe. Just buff out that edge. Again, using small circular motions. So next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. This is a C brush, and I'm going to go in with this cranberry shade right here, and I'm just going to be placing that all on my lid, taking that amount and just patting that all over the lid. Back in with that blending brush from Kylie and just buffing that. Now I'm going to go in with this Kylie brush and go into the maroon shade. Really help buff it out. Back in with the orange. It's a lot of back and forth. Just making sure those edges are blended seamlessly. I'm going to go do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Amber Beige, and this is what it looks like. I am running out of my foundation. I'm going to have to buy a new one soon. I'm literally scraping my bottle. So next I'm going to conceal, and for concealer today I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in C6. So next I'm going to be using my Coty Air Spun. So I'm going to take some of this. I'm going to lightly dust this under my eyes, not too much. So I mainly just highlight, or don't highlight, but I mainly just set where I place concealer, and the rest of my face I don't usually set, only because the Wet n Wild foundation is a really nice drugstore foundation that sets itself. So it's really great for that. I absolutely love it. This has probably been like my third bottle or so, third or fourth bottle maybe, that I've gone through. If you can see on the sides, like I'm like scraping the bottle now. I pretty much have to go buy a new one because I am all out, but I'm really just scraping the sides now. So yeah, so now we have the under eyes set. I'm going to finish my under eyes and go back in with the Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to go back in with that orange shade and dust that right under my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my M506 brush and go in with that maroon shade and just help blend that out with my tiny blending brush. Ooh, I'm loving this look, guys. What are you guys thinking of it so far? Ooh, love it. So now I'm going to go in with mascara and lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Dodo lashes, which are in the style D307s and the D312s. So these are both stacked, and these are what they look like. So I'm going to be using those today, as well as the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. So I'm going to be placing that on my eyes right now. So now those are on, I'm going to pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are now on. I think I'm going to add possibly eyeliner. I might add an eyeliner. Should I add eyeliner or... So I'm not going to add eyeliner today. So now I'm going to go on to the bronzer, and the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Gerard Cosmetics bronzer. This is their Starlit palette, their Honeymoon palette, and I'm going to be obviously using this shade right here. I'm going to take my bronzing brush and start on my forehead. I love starting at my forehead. I do not know why, but I just enjoy starting with the forehead first. I'm using an angled Luxie brush as well, if you were wondering. Now I'm going to go in with my, where is it? I just saw it. I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild brush and go in with that bronzer and go down my nose. Whatever leftover powder on my brush, you just hit the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face. So I'm going to set this powder down with some Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is in the scent Watermelon. Love this one as well. This one smells really good. So now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia and Amrezy collaboration highlighter, and this is the beautiful, oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 brush just for a more precise placement. I'm going to go in and highlight the brow bone with this highlighter. And add a little bit in the tear duct. Now that we are done with that, no we're not. Now we're done. Ooh, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Wifed Up from Gerard Cosmetics. This shade right here. I'm going to be using my Luxie stippling brush. I'm going to do one more spritz of the Watermelon setting spray. So for today's lip, I'm going to be going in with this combo. I'm going to be using Gerard Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Shimmer of Hope and Gerard Cosmetics Lip Liner in Sugar and Spice and Milani's Adorable Liquid Lipstick. So first I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani's Liquid Lipstick in Adorable. Now that it is dried, I'm going to line my lips a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with Shimmer of Hope Lip Gloss. Once you are done with that, then you are finished with the look. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun, colorful makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how this look turned out. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with everything, how it all turned out. I hope you guys did as well. If you guys want to know where my contacts are from, I do have a link below for you guys. So definitely check the description bar for all of the information. And yeah, I think that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I would love to have you here, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm very active on both those social media sites. So yeah, I think that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.